Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So in today's video we are opening up my Ipsy Plus, my paid one. I recently opened my PR box, so in today's video we will of course be opening this. Normally I would do a try on as well, but my mail did not get here until 6:30 p.m. today. You can probably tell it's dark, so I already had my makeup on. But after we unbox this, then I will compare it to my PR box. We'll see if we think like PR is better or what. And then I will quickly review the products I received in my Ipsy Plus in September. So every time I film one of these videos, I usually get comments saying like, it takes me too long to get to the unboxing and all that. So I just want to remind you, in case you didn't know, I always leave timestamps down below that you can just click, or if you hover over the progress bar, it will tell you like when the unboxing starts, when the review starts, and all of that. So if you don't want to hear like the bag tip of the month or anything else, or the review, you can skip around. So don't get mad at me. But before we get unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes like Ipsy. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a little giveaway going on. It was featured in my glossy box video, so I will try and link that at the end of this video. I'll at least link it like in a pinned comment down below. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing, or unbagging, now that Ipsy Plus comes in this bag. So I know you guys know all the details, but this is like their middle tier. It's $25 and you get 5 products. And Ipsy picks 2 of the items for you, and then you get to customize 3 of them. And apparently like the items that we get to pick from are different, like based on our profile. So I always love to hear from you guys in the comment section. Let me know what you got. But oh my god, you guys, I almost forgot. So before I open this, I am going to read our Ipsy Bag Tip of the month. So if you guys are new here, every month I ask you guys to leave tips and advice on how you make best use of your subscription bags, Ipsy bags specifically, because if you're like me, I've been getting Ipsy for a while and I love the bags, they're so cute, but I have a lot of them now. So I asked you guys to share how you use your bags, and then every time I have an Ipsy video, I feature one of your comments. So please leave yours down below. You might be featured in the future. I have a whole folder on my phone now of tips and advice. And then even if I don't feature yours, other people can read it and it's super helpful. So today's tip comes from Jessica Hans, and she says, the Ipsy Plus bags are great to use as a book sleeve when traveling, or even when putting your books in a purse or book bag. And I thought that was a super unique tip. I haven't seen anyone suggest anything like that. And now that the Ipsy Plus bags are different, I think that would be great. So thank you so much, Jessica, for your tip, and thank you in advance to anyone that leaves one down below. But now let's get to the unboxing. I guess I was getting a little excited there. And I don't even know if I finished my sentence earlier. Let me know what you got in your bag. I love to talk about it. So it looks like everything is actually inside my bag, and you guys, I love the bags for October. Since I already got my PR boxes, I got the plus and the regular bag, so again, I'll link those down below if you missed them. Like, the regular bag looks similar to this, but I like it even more. It's so cute. Goes so well with October. Oh, I forgot, I must have gotten some add-ons. Let me try and remember. Oh, and this came untied, sorry if it bothers anyone. So I'm looking at my app right now because I can't remember what's in my bag and what I added on. And it reminded me that right now, if you have 1,800 points to redeem in the Ipsy shop, you can get the Estate Cosmetics and Bailey Syrian palette that I know like everyone wanted, but not everyone was able to get. I actually snagged another one for a future giveaway, but just a little reminder in case you missed that. So I remember not being like super thrilled with the choices I had, but looking in front of me, it doesn't look too bad. So how about we start off with what Ipsy chose for me? And sneak peek, you guys, there's 3 eyeshadow palettes here. Like, I need more palettes. But the first thing Ipsy chose for me is by Tarte, and it's the Shape Tape Setting Powder. And I definitely have a lot of powders, but I love trying new ones. And I don't think I even knew that they had a setting powder, like in the Shape Tape line. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, every translucent powder really is like kind of yellow. Have you guys noticed that? Oh, and look, there's a little puff. And a mirror. And it's sealed, so I will definitely have to try this out. Oh, the mirror's actually not too bad. It's like too good. I don't want to see myself like that, but yeah, like I already mentioned, I review products in the later video. I'm sorry I couldn't do first impressions today. And the other item they chose for me is an eyeshadow palette by Lovecraft Beauty. I've gotten a blush palette from them in a past Ipsy that I really enjoy, but I've never tried their eyeshadows, and the outer packaging is super cute. And by the way, I'll leave the pricing of these items and the total value on the screen when I'm editing. Ooh, this looks like it might be a cool tone palette. I'm excited. Yeah, so there is a little mirror. I really like this. I think these are super cute. I'm not going to be able to swatch fully all of these palettes, but I have to swatch this one. Because I definitely don't have shades like these two that like jumped out at me. Ooh. I think I've asked you guys this before, like if you're a shimmer or matte like, you know, user. I always want to swatch the shimmers. I don't even like care about swatching the mattes. But that like dark, like midnight blue, that actually swatched really well, and sometimes those formulas can get like muddy or like look like black. I'm excited to play with this. I forgot to even like look at the card, but you guys know they don't put the product information here anymore. So now on to the products I chose for myself. I was gonna take a screenshot of what all the choices were, but I forgot again. But like I said, I picked 2 eyeshadow palettes because I got 3 total. So how about we start with those? One I picked was Violet Voss because I've received some Violet Voss palettes, I think from Ipsy, and I really like the formula. So this is their Creme Brulee Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. So pretty neutral, something I, you know, don't need, but want it. Well, that just took me like 5 minutes to open. You know what the trick is sometimes? Tweezers. Ooh, I like this. It's more shimmers and mattes than I was just talking about. And yeah, definitely neutral, but I think this would be great every day. Okay, I can't help but gonna swatch. Ooh, it feels so nice. If you guys ever want to see full swatches of anything, just leave a comment or DM me on Instagram and I can send it to you. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Those look amazing. And there's even a little mirror. Again, scary to see my reflection. Now the last eyeshadow palette, another brand I've heard of. I think I've tried like lip glosses by them. Jewel Smith Beauty eyeshadow palette. And from what I remember in the picture, I think it looked kind of weird. There's like 5 shades in here, but it looks like there's like some dead space in the palette, but let's see. Ooh, I like how it looks. Ooh, and it even has like some texture. Oh, the back's like that too. Yeah, that is interesting. There isn't a mirror, but that isn't like, that doesn't bother me. I know some people care. I guess it's like better for our planet. So these are all shimmer, and they actually look pretty, but yeah, see what I mean? Like, it just says Jewel's Beauty on there. I don't know. Not like this is too bulky or anything, but okay, I have 5 fingers. Oh. So I'll swatch this whole palette. That one like goldish one. Ooh, these actually all look great. I don't mind reaching into a lot of palettes at once. Like yesterday, I think I used 3 palettes. So I want to start doing that more. I keep losing my makeup wipe. And I know I said I have 5 fingers. I really have 10. I should not film this late. I'm even weirder than usual. Oh my god, you guys, these look really good. I just love a creamy, buttery shimmer. So I mean, it's probably not like the most exciting thing in the world, but I like it. That purple. I've been loving purple. So yeah, that's the 3rd eyeshadow palette I received. And actually, I think they're all kind of different. Like you could use them together, separate. I mean, the Violet Voss one's like pretty neutral, but the other 2 I think would be good together. But let's talk about the last item. This is really cute packaging. I believe this is like a lip duo. Admit One, Half Caked. Oh yeah, double feature. So there's a lip fondant, what is that word, and gloss. So in Ipsy a while ago, like in the regular $12 bag, I received a full-size liquid lip by Half Caked, and I really liked it, and I've never heard of them before. So when I saw this was an option, I had to get it. I can't remember what the colors are. Why don't I know what that word is? Fondant? Oh, apparently it's like a food item. I need to stop taking my time filming. This video is going to go up really late like my one did last night. So looks like we have a liquid lip, which is so pretty, and then a gloss that looks like it'll complement it so well. So the liquid lip is ASAP and the gloss is Rich Rich. Yeah, I love this. I have so many lippies, but I love trying new ones. Ooh, this looks kind of similar to what I wore earlier, but I put a different gloss on over it. It's so pretty. Archer! Oh, it smells fruity. Gotta make an appearance in every video now lately. Archer! Oh, so the liquid lip smells like icing or cupcake, whatever, something edible, and then the gloss smells like fruity, but I love this. Oh, I wish I did a try-on video with these. I was thinking, since I promised to do a get ready with me, like full face of Ipsy products, I can include some of these in the future, so let me know. And I think overall, I like my bag. I remember being like disappointed when I was looking at the choices, but I'm actually excited to play around with all of these. I mean, 3 eyeshadow palettes is a lot, but I mean, I already have like 60, so I don't really care. And some of them are formulas I have never tried before, so I am happy with it. Again, let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Archer, come here! Okay, so sorry, there's just gonna be a cat crying in the background. We gotta get through this. So, in my Ipsy Plus that I received in PR, which was super awesome. It was the first month I've ever received Ipsy PR, and it was really great. There were some comments, because I opened both that day, and from my understanding, I think there was an issue with, like, mispackaging. So in the regular Ipsy Glam bag, I received a full-size Sunday Riley product, and I know a lot of people commented that they were mad because that's only possible in the Plus, but this isn't confirmed, but what I think is that this little Illuminati quad was supposed to be in the regular Glam bag, and then the Sunday Riley product was supposed to be in the Plus, and they probably put like this in the bag because it's like glass and can break or something like that. That's what I'm guessing, but that's all I'll say about that for now, and I'll talk about the items I actually received in the Plus. So we can start off with this one. To be honest, I haven't really used it much. I'm just showing you guys this because I only opened it like a week ago or something, but I received a quad by Illuminati. It's like a nice everyday quad, and I received a palette from them in my most recent BoxyCharm, and I did not like it. This formula seems better than that one. My favorite thing, which I had to like make myself stop using, was a Huda Beauty palette, the Mauve Obsessions. And I just love this color scheme. This is definitely my favorite item. And then we received a setting powder from Ciate London, the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I already have this, I think, from Ipsy, and I do like it. We received some brushes by LaRousse. What am I? Oh, and then the last thing I really like too is an eye cream. This is by Filorga. It's their like super smoothing radiance eye cream, and it really does brighten your under eyes. I use this as my daytime or like morning eye cream, and I've really been enjoying it. So I think it was a freaking great Ipsy Plus, but honestly, I don't think they like treated me any like more special, because a lot of these items have been featured in past Ipsy Pluses, and I think the box I got today was really good too. So I mean, if I had to, I don't really know, I have to try everything like to tell you what one I like better, but I really do like both. So I don't think it's like that crazy the items they're sending me in PR. I know that like mixed up with Sunday Riley and the regular Glam bag had people thinking that, but overall, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think like there's a like unfair advantage or anything like that? Because I think these items I received in the PR box, I've seen other people get before in past Ipsy Pluses. So, you know, it's all based on a profile. We don't all get the same stuff every month. But I would love to know your thoughts down below. But now let's quickly talk about my items from September. So this video is not a million zillion years long. Archer. Okay, and I need to, I don't know, I'm pretty sure he's food, but Archer needs some love. So let's wrap this up. So my Ipsy in September, there is one item, or 2 items I didn't use, and like the one I was the least excited about, I got just like a pack of 2 like face masks from Starskin. Like I don't mind getting that, but like in the Ipsy Plus, getting like full-size items, I mean, this just didn't like wow me, and I obviously haven't used them, but I do have a lot of face masks. I guess one's like an exfoliating peeling puff, I don't know. But yeah, this I haven't used, and then the other item I didn't use I received was by Wander Beauty, and it's an eyeliner. And I think I may put that in a giveaway. I haven't decided yet, what I'm gonna do with that, but the only reason why I haven't used this is because I have a million eyeliners and I don't use them that often. I usually use like pencils. I think there was a felt tip, but I think I actually chose it for my bag, so I can't complain. I love Wander Beauty. But everything else I really liked. I got a set of lippies from Tristique and I was gonna give them away, but a few of you commented that they're more like tinted lip balms. And I haven't tried all of them yet, I've only tried one, and I really liked it, so I ended up keeping them. So thank you so much. That's why I just love you guys. I love talking with you in the comments because, you know, we learn so much from each other. There's another item I'll talk about now I wasn't going to keep either, but one of you guys told me that I should, or you told me more about it. So I received also a nail polish in my Ipsy Glam bag, the regular bag, and I thought the colors were like the same. Archer, please give me 1 minute, baby. Come here. What is wrong? Do you want to be in the video? Come here. Want to say hi? Come here. Oh, I tried. But yeah, I received a full-size nail polish in my Ipsy Glam bag too, and I thought they were like the same, but one of you told me that like one's darker than the other, like they look totally different, and I actually have this on my toes right now, and I do like Smith & Colt's nail polishes in general, so thank you again. You guys are the best. So I've only used it once, but I mean, like, I only paint my toes like whenever I notice that they're like they need to be painted. So yeah, happy with that, even though I didn't think I would be. And then my favorite thing, I use it all the time, I've been trying not to again, like with that mauve palette, is a lip kit. And this is by ColourPop actually. I think it's the only time I've ever gotten ColourPop in a subscription box that I can recall. No, once I got a palette in a box charm like years ago. But this was actually in collaboration with Bretman Rock, and it's the Wet Lip Bundle. And so there is a satin lip, a gloss, and a lippy pencil. And at first when I saw these, like they look like totally different shades. I was like, I don't know about that, but I love how this looks. I've never really tried that trick where you wear like a brown liner, like kind of like contours your mouth, and then put like a totally different color lipstick on. It like totally works. And then this gloss is like blue. I don't always use the gloss, but yeah, it looks blue, but it doesn't actually come out like that. But I think these all pair really well together. And yeah, definitely my favorite from my paid box last month. And I think that's everything. I'm sorry if I was all over the place, you guys. Well, Archer was distracting me right now, and it's really late. I'm starving, and I just want to get this open. But overall, I'm happy. I love Ipsy. I'm really glad that I think I still got a fair box paid compared to my PR. But again, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you again for being here and unboxing this with me. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and also join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching my video is super supportive and helpful, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.